So today I'm about to walk you through a complete beginner-friendly guide to Canva, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning designs even if you've never used Canva before. Canva has become one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly design tools available today. And it's even better. Whether you want to design social media posts, business logos, presentations, marketing materials, thumbnails, or personal projects, Canva makes it possible with just a few clicks. And the best part is, you don't need any design experience, you don't need any expensive software, you just need your creativity, and I'll guide you through step by step. So in this tutorial, I'll show you everything. How to use the Canva homepage, how to start a project, how templates work, how to customize text, images, colors, and elements, how to use Magic Studio AI tools, and finally, how to download your design the right way. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump in, here's a quick preview of what you will able to make today. Imagine creating a professional looking design and a clean, modern graphic with animated elements, perfectly aligned, completely customized, all made from scratch in under 5 minutes. Here's a finished design right here on the screen, created using Canva in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create something just like this, or even better. Now, let's go into Canva. When you first open Canva, the homepage may look overwhelming, but don't worry. We'll take it step by step. On the left side, you'll see Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, and Apps. At the top, you'll notice a search bar where you can type anything you want to design. For this tutorial, let's create a simple Instagram post. So in the search bar, type Instagram post and click the standard 1080 by 1080 size. Once the editing screen opens, you'll see thousands of templates on the left. You can choose minimal, modern, aesthetic, corporate, bold, pastel, trendy, animated templates, and much more. Go ahead and click any template that matches the style you want. Remember, you can change everything later. For now, just choose one template so we can start customizing. Click on any text on the design. A tool appears on the top where you can change font style, size, color, spacing, alignment, effects, and animation. So for example, click the title and type New Year Sale or any text you want. Then, you can change the font to something bold like Montserrat, Anton, or Canva's trending fonts. Try adjusting the size, boldness, and spacing until it looks right. Let's replace the image in the template. On the left menu, click Elements or Photos. You can search for business, abstract, fashion, something like coffee, summer, travel, or anything you need. Drag the image over the current one until it snaps into place. You can also add elements like shapes, lines, icons, gradients, and stickers from the Elements tab. Try adding a circle, lowering the transparency, or putting it behind your text for a modern look. Then, click anywhere in the background, choose a color from your color palette. Canva also automatically detects colors from images, making it easy to keep everything consistent. If you have your own brand colors, you can add them under Brand Kit if you're using Canva Pro. So next, here's where Canva becomes extremely powerful. Click Magic Studio or find these AI tools in the menu. Magic Write, Magic Switch, that translates, resizes design, Magic Design, Auto Create Designs, Magic Grab, it's for removing objects, Magic Expand, it's for AI outpainting. Magic Edit is for AI object replacement. So for example, you can select an image, click on Magic Edit, type replace with pink flowers, and Canva will generate options instantly. Or you can use Magic Grab to separate objects from photos. These AI tools save hours of editing time. Next, at the top, you can click Animate. You'll see animations like rise, pop, fade, scrapbook, photo movement, neon glow, bounce, and slide. Choose one of those and your graphic becomes instantly more dynamic, perfect for Reels, TikTok, or ads. Then, once you're finished, click Share and Download. Here are the recommended settings: PNG for the best quality, JPEG is for smaller file size, MP4 or GIF if you added animation, PDF lastly is for printing. Make sure transparent background is checked if you need it. This is for pro feature. And that's it. Your design is ready. Here are 6 pro level tips to help you design even better. Use frames for cleaner layouts. Frames keep your images perfectly cropped and clean. Second, you can use letter R shortcut to quickly add a rectangle. Keyboard shortcuts save so much time. Third is copy style instantly. Select text, click on copy style, then you can apply it to other elements. Fourth, use grids for perfect alignment. Go to elements, search for grid, then drag it in. Then fifth, make use of Canva's brand kit. Perfect for businesses, stores, and content creators. Then lastly, you can duplicate your pages for variations. Instead of starting from scratch, duplicate the page and adjust small details. So let's quickly recap everything we covered. You learned how to navigate the Canva homepage. You chose a template and customized it. You added text and changed fonts and colors. You replaced photos and added design elements. You used Canva's 2025 Magic Studio AI. You added animations and you exported your final design in the correct format. If you learned pro tips to help you design faster and smarter by now, you should be able to create social media posts, logos, invitations, business graphics, thumbnails, presentations, and basically anything you want. And that's it. That's my full beginner's guide to Canva in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more tools inside Canva. Keeps on getting better every year. The more you play with it, the faster you'll get it. And eventually, you'll be creating designs that look professional, clean, and completely unique. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create amazing projects for your business, your content, your schoolwork, or just even fun. That's my quick takeout about this tool, and I'll see you around this next tutorial.